Welcome to DollarClix. You just took the first step to new online earnings. Congratulations! There are a couple of things you should get yourself familiar with before you get started. The offer walls are the main source of revenue, and you should start by exploring them. Revenue wall and ad wall are the most popular, as they contain many surveys and offers to complete. PTC wall and minute staff are the easiest to earn your first rewards. Some of their offers just need you to click on ads of viewing websites. You can also check out engageme.tv wall for videos to watch that reward you. Another great way to earn is to refer other members. You will make a percentage of their earnings for life. Just get your referral link and banners in the affiliate section and start promoting. Finally, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the chat box. Our staff and experienced users will help you out. Happy earnings!